Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back. So today's recipe is jackfruit special. Let's make 2 cup of wheat and 1 cup jackfruit and 1 cup of coconut and 1 cup of jaggery. And 1 glass of water, half teaspoon salt, and grind it. It should become a thick consistency like this. And some coconut, chopped coconut, and some dry chili, chopped dried chili, and mix it. And take a leaf like this and pour the mixture and fold it. On the flame and keep the pan and a little bit of water, and after 20 minutes, let's see. Our jackfruit special is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.